Feet together, step, arm back, rock and roll. And when I roll, I transfer my weight from both feet to about a center position to a front weight on this leg position. Feet together, step, arm back, and roll. And kind of transfer my weight this way. Feet together, step, arm back, roll. All at the same time, like this. Or like this. Oh, nice. I can even use a bowling ball. Feet together, step, arm back, roll. Feet together, step, arm back, roll. All at the same time, una vez. Not two steps, one step. There are 4 or 5 key elements when you're rolling, but as you roll, you will perform all of the key elements together, just like this. Foot up, arm back, step forward, roll. Some people do them and separate them too far apart from each key element, like this. We don't want to separate them that far. We want them closer together and the steps all at one time, like this. Feet together, all at one time. Everybody say, all at one time. Everybody say, una vez. Okay. Here's some bean bags we will be using today. And the most important thing is to not throw them in the air. We do not want to, today we do not want to throw the bowling balls in the air. That's not good. Rolling is when you get really low, feet together, step, arm back, and bend at the waist, and roll. And release the ball, let the ball go when it's close to the ground. Watch. Feet together. The entire time today, I want the beanbag to be on the floor to your partner and during a learning activity. Keep it on the floor and be safe. Let's go over the key elements for rolling today. Well, the first one is feet together. And if I'm using my right hand, then I will step with my left foot, my opposite foot of my tossing or rolling hand. So if this is my rolling hand, I need to use this foot on this side. Feet together, step with my opposite foot, arm back, and bend at the waist and roll. Feet together, step with the opposite foot, arm back, bend, and roll. And as I roll, I transfer my weight to my front foot. Let me show you a few times. Feet together, step, arm back, bend, roll. Now let's do it all at one time. Here we go. Remember, we are not separating out the key elements very far. We are putting them together. All the key elements like this. At one time. At one time. Feet together, step with the opposite foot, arm back, bend, and roll. Watch. All at one time, Tigers. And remember, this beanbag stays on the floor when we play an activity called shoe tag. Watch me. On the floor. Keep it on the floor. Let's have a great day.